Today I will be showing you how to make this quick taco bowl meal prep. This taco bowl serves 4 to 6 people and takes 20 to 30 minutes to prepare. Overall, the dish costs roughly around $4 per serving. If you'd like to know how to make this dish, keep watching. For today's video on how to make a taco bowl, all you'll need is rice, salt, pepper, paprika, oregano, cayenne pepper, black beans, corn, lime, avocado, cilantro, ground beef, and pico de gallo. You can substitute many of these options such as the rice for quinoa or couscous, and you can also substitute the ground beef for a more lean and healthier option such as ground turkey. So before our rice can go in the pot, first we have to clean the rice. So by doing that, you just want to add your proportion of rice to a bowl and then fill it up with water, and you're going to use your fingers like so to make sure that the water becomes dirty, and you'll see all of the imperfections coming out of the rice, and you'll continuously do that until the water becomes clear, and then you're able to add your rice to your pot of water. So now that we added our rice back to our pot, we're going to go ahead and let our rice cook until it's all the way done. That could be anywhere from like 15 to 20 minutes. And while our rice is cooking, we want to go ahead and chop up any of our fresh vegetables and set them aside until the very end. So now that our rice is done cooking and all of our vegetables have been chopped up and separated, or the cans have been drained, we're going to go ahead and get started on making our ground beef. And for the seasoning, we're going to need all of the spices mentioned earlier, and then we're just going to add a teaspoon of each to the meat after it's done browning. Let's get started. For the seasoning mixture that we'll use for the ground beef, you want to add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves. I did go ahead and add my mixture of seasoning to the meat. We're just going to continue to let it brown and continuously stir so that way it doesn't stick to your pan. And there you have it. As I said, this meal only takes about 20 to 30 minutes to cook. So now all you get to do is just serve and enjoy. Thanks for watching.